morning dear students. Myself Pushottam Pathak. Today I will explain you the exercise 2.5. In the exercise 2.5 of Maths for Standard 7, we will go through the decimal numbers. See, in the previous classes also you had learnt about the decimal numbers. If you remind about those things, the comparison of decimal numbers were also taught there. If we consider two number, say 37.14 and 231.40. Now, while comparing both of the number, we need to see that this number is a 3 digit. This number is having 3 digits after the decimal. So to compare them, first you have learned to convert them into the like decimals. How? This will be turned into the 3-digit number after the decimal. This number will also have 3 digits after decimal. Then only both the numbers will be like numbers. So 37.140 and 231.405. Now once you got the like decimals, now ignore the decimals and find out the values of both the numbers. If the number of digits are greater, of course number of digits, this number is having more number of digits, this will be greater number, and the number which is having less digit will be smaller. But once you got both the numbers having same number of digits, then we compare first the leftmost digit of the numbers and continue the comparison towards the right direction till we get the difference in the number if both the numbers are equal. See, we compare the leftmost digit, the first digit. If there would be any more digits, say 2, then we would have compared 2, then no difference is there. Then we would have compared 3 with the 3, no difference is there. And at the third place there is 7 and there would be 1, then this number would have been declared as greater if there would be 2. But this number is, in this case, this one is smaller than this one. Hence, first we will write as 37.140 is less than 231.405. Therefore, 37.14 is less than 231.405. However, it was a very simple example I have given. Come to the second thing, that is expanded form of decimal number. If you are told to find the expanded form of any one of the numbers, say 237.543, the expanded form for this number will be, see, the place of this number is tens, ones, tens and hundreds. So this will acquire the value as 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus, see, the first number after the decimal is represented as 5 by 10 plus second number 4 by 100 plus third number 3 by 1000 and so on. In this way you can write the expanded forms of the number and the place value of the number. If you are asked to find out the place value of this 3, place value of 3, in 237 equal to, it is lying at the ones tens, that means tens place. 3 into 10, 3 into 10 equal to 30. 30 means the place value of this number is tens. In this way you will solve the entire exercise. Now come to the exercise. I will explain you the sums one by one. See, look at the one number sum first in the exercise 2.5. In the first sum, two decimal numbers are given and you are asked to compare those numbers, and the numbers are in the page number 47. The first sum is there and the numbers are to compare 0.5 or 0.05. You are asked which number is greater. Compare them by converting simply as I had explained you right now. Convert into the like decimals. 0.50 or 0.05 as 0.50 is, of course, this is greater than 0.05, therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. In this way you can solve the remaining sums of one number. Come to the two number. The two number, you are asked to convert paise into rupees. See the first one, 7 paise. See, we know for the 7 number, we know 100 paise equal to rupees 1. Now come to the one number, it is 7 paise. 7 paise equal to 7 paise. After writing 7 paise, while writing the rupees, nowadays we use simply the symbol of rupees. So I would like to advise you to go for the symbol of rupees and use the symbol of rupees at the beginning. Rupees 7 by 100. In the next step, if you change it into the decimal, then as in the denominator 1 is having 2 zeros, so the decimal will be appearing just before the 2 digits from the right side, that is 70. Decimal will be here. So we will write as equal to rupees 0.07. In this way you can solve the two number sums also. Divide by 100 expression the decimals and write up the values. Come to the 3 number sum. In the 3 number sum, the sum is related to the metric system that you had learnt in the previous classes. The relationship between the different units of measurement. Look at the first part of the 3 number sum. You are told to express 5 cm in meters and kilometers. 5 cm in meters and kilometers. In meters. First we will write in meters. In meters, 5 cm equal to how many centimeters make 1 meter? Of course it is 100. So we will write 5 by 100 meter, and ultimately it is having 2 zeros. So answer will be 0.05 meter. And similarly, in kilometers, we can represent it as 5 cm equal to 5 bar. If you go for how many centimeters are there in a meter, in a kilometer, you will get it is 100,000, that is to say 1 lakh. So what will be the decimal representation? This will be 0 point, as 1 is having 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 and 5 8. Kilometer. Now come to the next sum, that is 4 number sum. In the 4 number sum, grams are given and you are asked, the units are given in the grams and you are asked to change them into the kilogram. So very simply, as we know, how many gram makes 1 kilogram? The answer will be 1000. So 200 gram equal to 200 by 1000 kilogram. If you change it into the decimal, then you will get only 1 zero is lying here, so only one place of decimal, that is 0.2 kilogram. In this way you can solve the remaining sums of the 4 number also. Now come to the 5 number sum. As you had learned this type of sum in the previous classes to represent the number in expanded form. Take one sum. I am representing here 20.03 in expanded form. 2 is at tens place, so 2 into 10 plus 0 is at ones place plus 0 is at tens place, so 0 by 10th plus 3 is at 100th place, so 3 plus 3 by 100. In this way you will represent the numbers in expanded form. Remaining sums also will be completed in similar manner. Come to the 6 number sum now. In the 6 number sum, place value of the numbers are asked, and I have already explained you about the place value of the numbers. Say the place value of 2 in the given number, that was 2.56 in 2.56 equal to, see at which place it is lying, it is ones place, 2 into 1 equal to 2. The place value of 2 ones. In the second sum, place value of 2, that 2 is lying at the 10th place, 21 is given there, so place value of 2 tens. In this way you will solve. Come to the 7 number sum now. In the 7 number sum, Dinesh and Ayub started from same place and went up to the same place, but routes they used were different. Dinesh first went from A to B, then to C, whereas Ayub went from A to D first, then to C, and the situation is represented like this. For Dinesh, A to B and then to C, and for Ayub, A to D and to C. it is also mentioned there A to B is 7.5 kilometer. B to C is 12.2 kilometer. A to C is 9.3 kilometer and C to D is or D to C is 11.8 kilometer. If you go to find out the total distance covered by Dinesh equal to 7.5 kilometer plus 12.2 kilometer. Take the sum. Similarly, total distance covered by Ayub will also be calculated in similar manner, and after finding out both the distances in kilometers, you will compare them, and after the comparison you can declare that who had traveled more and by how much, by subtracting the both of them. Now come to the 8 number sum. Shyama and Sarala both bought the fruits. Once again, as I had explained you in the 7 number sum, in case of distance traveled, similarly in the 8 number sum also you will follow the similar steps. In the 8 number, first you find out the total weight of fruits bought by Shyama. That is 5.300 kilogram of apple and mango is 3.250 kilogram. Take the sum. Thereafter find the total weight of fruits bought by Sarala. As I had advised you to take the sum of both the weights of the fruits for Shyama, similarly you will take the sum of total weight of orange and banana. Orange and banana both Sarala had bought. Once you got the sum of orange and banana, then compare the total weight bought by Shyama and total weight bought by Sarala and compare them. After comparison, you can write who had bought more. And the last sum, that is 9 number sum, I don't think that it needs any explanation. However, only one advice is for 9 number. I am writing here at the top. For the 9 number, only subtract how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. 28 kilometer, 28.000 kilometer, and then you will subtract you will subtract 28 kilometer from 42.600 kilometer minus 28.000 kilometer. Now subtract them and you will find the required answer for the 9 numbers. In this way you will solve the exercise. In the next class I will explain the next exercise also. Till that time complete this exercise. Thank you very much.